What's poppin'? Your girl is back with another video, and today we're just gonna do my lashes. So let's get right into this video. Girl has been scrolling on TikTok, and the TikTok shop has low-key been getting me. Anytime I've been seeing something, I've been like, let me try it out. So these have went on my timeline. So I went ahead and get these. These are clusters. If you have been watching me before, I have actually did lashes before. I'm going to link that video down before, but I usually do use the Kiss I Envy clusters. So they are probably this thick, but they don't get this long, baby. I'm about to open this up so you can see what I'm talking about, so you can, you know. But when you open this box, they do have these lashes like this. You see here, they are so long and then they get smaller. They do have the numbers of the inches right here on the box so that you're able to see that. And then it does also come with tweezers, and then it comes with the bond that also has biotin in it, and then the seal that has vitamin E. So we just gonna get right into this video, and I'm about to start. And since these are low-key longer than what I'm used to and the process that they say to do, I low-key feel like this is gonna be a quick process. So I'm gonna stop talking, we're just gonna get right up into it. So I went ahead and changed the angle because I do have the mirror right here in front of me. So we are just going to go ahead and put the bond on there first. It's just like this, like a little mascara wand. Okay, just had to make sure those were fully coated before I go in with the lashes. So now I'm going to take the lash, I would say try not to coat the full lash so much because I have that sticking, but that was just literally so easy to apply. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some more. Not sure how we're feeling yet, but we're gonna do the next one. Okay, there's that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take this and we'll do this one first. Now I'm just gonna take my handy dandy band and so this is the final result. This is what we're giving, and my final thoughts, what I will say is that I do like the process of these. These are super quick and easy. I'm not 100% sure if I will replace these with what I've already currently been doing, only because I need to play around with it and see how I like it. Right now, I am just, the older I get, the less I like to do. Right now, this is kind of doing too much for me. I would just like for it to be a little bit more toned down. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but this one here is a little bit more full than this one. When I did this eye, I did put them right completely next to each other. This one, I did part them a little, so there's a little space, like little gaps in between, so that it is what gives this one a little bit more, like, not as thick, but still I would just like for this to be not as long. I'm not sure if it possibly is the curl too, or if it's just the length, because I'm just not a long lash girl anymore. Like, I like short, cute, classic set. I'm not like a volume lash girl. Like, it's not me, but I'm going to be back to tell you how long these lashes hold, how I feel about them. Because right now, they're pretty cute. They're pretty cute. I already know with makeup, this is going to eat. Like, these lashes are going to eat with makeup, but I still know how I feel right now, but we'll get back to you for the final thoughts. I'm actually back to just give you a review on these lashes. So, them lashes end up falling off within like a couple days. Like, I feel like I might have wore it, because it didn't even last a full week and they ended up falling off, but I do believe it is because of the glue. But like I already said, I've already been doing my lashes, so I ended up just using this glue. It's the Kiss I Envy glue, long lasted individual eyelash. This right here is what I've already been using, and it last. I can wear it like, depending on how I maintain my lashes, I can keep it on for about 2-3 weeks. Like, it be holding. So that is what I went ahead and did. I reapplied these lashes. I did do some different numbers, and then I also did kind of stack some because your girl is a hybrid girl, so I was trying to get it as close to looking like a hybrid as possible. So yes, thank you for watching this video. This is the conclusion of this, and just drop any comments down below, any questions you may have that I didn't answer. And thank you for watching this video.